Hey everybody, today we are going to show you how to fix an annoying, unusual activity has been detected from your device error in the ChatGPT application so that you can get back to chatting without any kind of interruptions. So what we can do is first of all sometimes just wait from 15 to 60 minutes and then try logging in into the ChatGPT application. Don't keep spamming the app. It could make the block worse. So you can just go over and do so because sometimes it may just be a temporary glitch. Apart from that, what we can do is we can switch our network as well. So go to your settings for that. And once you go to your settings, if you're on a public Wi-Fi or mobile data, you can try resetting it or try switching it and just go over and do so and try connecting with the ChatGPT application again. Restarting your router can also help you get a very fresh IP address. Apart from that, if you're on a browser, you can try clearing cache and cookies, or even in the application, you can try clearing the cache and cookies. So hold it up and go to the app info. And from here, you can scroll down and look out for the option of storage. And within storage, look out for the clear cache option and also clear data if necessary. And you can reinstall it, try reinstalling the application itself, or re-log in into the application. If you're logged in into multiple devices, you can log out from the ones that you're not using. Suppose if you're on a mobile device, open up the app and go to the menu icon at the top left, and then go over and select the option of settings. Go to your profile and look out for the option of log out and tap on it and confirm it up and log out, because logging in into too many sessions can cause suspicious to ChatGPT. And if nothing works, you can contact the OpenAI support team and explain the issue, what device, network, and steps you have tried. They can unblock your account if it's a false flag, and that's it. There's steps usually fix the unusual activity error in the ChatGPT application. So if this video helped you out, like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.